Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is NCW Foundation Day. Today, that is January 31st, marks the Foundation Day of the National Commission for Women, or NCW. NCW is organizing a two-day event to celebrate its 31st Foundation Day from 31st January 2023 to 1st February 2023. The theme of the program is Sashakt Nari Sashakt Bharat. It is aimed at acknowledging and celebrating the stories of women who have excelled and paved their journey to leave a mark. Now, information about NCW was founded in January 1992 as a statutory body under the National Commission for Women Act 1990. It is a statutory body. It was established to review the constitutional and legal safeguards for women, recommend remedial legislative measures, facilitate redressal of grievances, and advise the government on policy matters affecting women. The Committee on the Status of Women in India, or CSWI, recommended the setting up of a National Commission for Women. The first commission was constituted on January 31st, 1992 under the chairmanship of Mrs. Jayanti Patnaik. The current chairperson of the commission, Rekha Sharma, assumed this position in 2018.